What's up, crypto heroes? This is Joseph coming to you here. I got my holiday hat on, so happy holidays, Merry Christmas, whatever you celebrate. Hopefully, you and your family are doing amazing this time of year. If not, reach out to someone. There's people out there that are willing to help out. So never feel like you're alone out there. Reach out. People love you. But hey, let's get into these charts. So what we want to do is look over Ethereum because today is all about Ethereum. We're going to look at the price chart from 2020 to 2024, which is today's prices. We're going to be seeing, okay, if we want to take advantage of Ethereum and the prices that are going up and down, action here, we're going to see how we can do that. And if you don't want to try to jump in and jump out all the time and have all the stress of like kind of that day trading type stuff, this is going to be your perfect opportunity to do that. But of course, we also can get into more of that day trading, when to do that, and to be more successful there. But this is all about the long term on Ethereum and then what we can do today, right, in December of 2024. So let's look at the page here. We got death crosses, okay, at top. We got the golden crosses on the page. We have the purple boxes, which will be lining up with our relative strength index down here. And so we're going to see exactly when's the best time to get into the market for you at any point in time. So we have the first off here, we're going to go from left to right. So we have this first box, purple box, which is lining up with our relative strength index here at the 30 mark. This is 30, 50 in the middle, 70 up top. When it gets to 30, that means it's oversold. When it gets to 70, that means it's overbought or above a 70. In the middle, of course, it's neutral, right? So we have here right before our golden cross. A golden cross is when our 50-day EMA crosses above the 200. So our blue line right there crosses above the orange line. And when that happens, it's called a golden cross. And when that happens, we want to pay attention because we want to get in. All right, back over here, but 30-day, right, on the 30 on the relative strength index signifies to us this is oversold and it's time to pay attention to put our hard-earned cash in so we can take advantage of price action going forward. Then if we got in here, we get this golden cross that gives us a really great confidence that we're going to be going up. We're on the 60 right now for relative strength index, 50 to 60. And of course, after that, it was off to the races, right? We went to go. Now, in a bull run, when Ethereum is ready to go and off to the races in like say a year's worth of bull run, it comes back to the 50-day EMA quite a bit, touches it and goes off again, touches it, goes off again, touches it, goes off again. So if you wanted to catch Ethereum, that's how you would catch it more often than not, is wait for that 50-day EMA to get crossed. And of course, we're way above the 200 here, not even close to it, right? It's touching it and it's going off for more highs. So that's going to be the best time to get in on a bull run. Down here, we're still in the 50 or 60, so we're not way down here at the 30, but typically we don't get down to 30 range when we're in a bull run. We only get down to about 50 or 60 typically. So sometimes we get a little bit lower, kind of getting close to that 30, but not touching it. Now, if you're really wanting to get the best prices for you and the best oversold area, that's when you would wait for this, right? This type of price action here during a bull run comes all the way back here, touches 30. That says, yes, let's get into this market. Let's go. And you would buy in here. That would be a great opportune time for you to get in and take that next ride up. So there's that lining up. Here's our death cross, okay? This is the 2021 bull run for Ethereum. After we top, our 50 right there crosses to below the 200, and that gives us our death cross saying, hey, it's time. It's most likely going to be going down now. And that's what happens, right? We go down, and our box shows up again here because we are now at 30 again. So if we wanted to try to get into the market here at the 30, which would be, right around like $2,800, we could have wrote it up to about $3,500, about 40% increase. Pretty much all of these are 40, 50, or even 100% increases. So these all would have been pretty awesome trades for you, especially if you're only trying for like 10, 20, 30%. But you would have had a great opportunity there. And of course, 50 still going down. 50, we're all the way below 200. So we're still in this bear phase. But right here is where we have another opportunity. We're at the 30 again on the RSI relative strength index. We're also on the 30 here relative strength index. We could have bought in here, took it up. Could bought here, we take it up. But right after this one here, we have a golden cross, okay, as well. We also have a 30 on the relative strength index at the golden cross. So best opportunity, two things lining up at once. We're also having the 50 cross over the 200 for our golden cross, and so we would probably want to get in there, right? The best thing going. Awesome. Okay, perfect. Let's go forward. We have the price action now going below the 50-day EMA. That's coming down to 30 again on the RSI. So that would give us the signal to say maybe get in here. It wouldn't be the best time to get in here. As you see, if you're going forward, it actually did come a little bit lower because we had a death cross again. Our 50 went below the orange, the 200. That probably scared some people off in the market, saying, oh no, what's going on? I thought we were in a bull run. But no, it's scaring people off here. So, but that goes way below the 30, way oversold. We now, because we're smart, we want to get in here. We want to put our hard-earned cash in. Then what do we see? Not too long later, we see a golden cross again. That golden cross comes in around the 50, 60 mark. We go boom, we go off to the races, right? 2023, and then of course 2024 has kind of been this downward price action here, and we had a death cross again. Now, if we see here, though, after we had a death cross, we came back down to these purple ranges, which is a 30 on the RSI. That's perfect time to get in. We have the golden cross here right there, and that's at about 50, 60 RSI, and that gives us our golden cross. We're coming down to touch the 50-day EMA, which is amazing because this is kind of lining up everything that we want to see from Ethereum to see next leg up. Now, we could waddle around here for the next little while before we go up, but I'm having pretty good confidence with everything we're seeing over here the last 4 years. Everything's lining up exactly how we want to see it, and so I think in pretty great confidence right now if you want to take that chance at putting some money into the market. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so do not invest just because you're seeing what I'm looking at here, but I wanted to give you this big overall picture of why exactly how to look at Ethereum. What's the best time to get in? If you want to be a trader on Ethereum, this would be a great time. Now, how do you know when to sell? That's a perfect question, right? Let's go back super quick. Down here at 30, you buy. When you get up to 70, you sell, which is up here at these prices. Down here at 30, you buy. You get up here, 70, you want to sell. Down here at 30, you buy. When you get up to 70, you want to sell. Again, 30, buy, 70, sell. 30, buy, 70, sell, 30, buy. We don't get to 70 quite yet. We come down here at 30 again, and we can go up here and sell again, right? So there's definitely ways to know without having to guess when to buy, when to sell. And I just showed you there. So if you want to know how to do that, you want to see Bitcoin's a chart just like this as well, go ahead and click on the link here soon, and you'll be able to see that as well. All right, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Crypto Heroes out.